Hi children, good morning. Okay, today we are going to get started our English ma. As day 7, 7th class ma. Students, get ready ma. Open your English textbooks and don't forget your pencil also ma. And the previous class we have completed the topic na, the town mouse and the country mouse. So, and even I told a very interesting story about the introduction of a old student by the teacher to the present students. Today we will just go to the poem. Go to the poem written by Irene Thompson. Written by Irene Thompson. Okay. Here this poem has a lot of relation to the first topic, the town mouse and the country mouse. Okay. So I told you a lot in the previous now. We humans will not be satisfied with what we have. We will think about other things which we don't have. This is our human psychology. So today we will just go. Open your page number 16. Page number 16, students. Shall we start? Here we go. Okay, this is our unit 1, part B. Part B as day 7. Day 7. See the town child. Is thinking. What is he thinking of? He's wanting something else. What is wanting? We'll see. What he is thinking of. So the town child. Actually, can you see the town how it is? Full of buildings, all tall big buildings. See the two lights. Okay, the street lights, the bridges here, flyovers. Okay, the boy, the buses. We saw all this. See, this is commonly what we see in a town. We see in a town. So actually, see, even in the town, what does the town be like the thing? The town mouse told, no? The town is always day and night. It has street lights. Yes, street lights. The televisions and the radios. The music is playing loudly. Okay, and you find what now? You find big tall buildings, full traffic, busy roads. Okay, this is what the town mouse told the country mouse. Whereas the country mouse told the town mouse, what now? Quite reverse. He said, this is countryside. It's quite simple. Here there's not much of traffic, neither pollution. It's all clean, mas. Yeah, you see how it is. Okay, you can see it's all clean. You can say it's the best life, man. Best life. You see, where there's no pollution, no disturbances, all are quiet. So we just go into the poem now. So the town child. I live in a town. So this is what he's saying. Okay, ma. So I live in a town, in a street. So where does he live, ma? He's living in a town. In a street. It is crowded with traffic. So he's living in a town, in a street where there's a lot of traffic. Crowded with traffic. So we say much traffic, ma. And feet. So people walking by. There are buses and motors. So what happened in the town? There are plenty of buses and motor vehicles. Okay, motor vehicles. So and trams. So, okay, so this was a train running on the roads here. Okay, ma'am. I wish they were meadows. So he wished they were meadows. Meadows, the way you find in the countryside. So you can see this is all thing. Also all meadows. What you say, the open lands where these trees, cattle be grazing. It's all free, total free. And lambs. He wanted the open lambs with the lambs. The houses all wait. See the houses. See all papa. In a row. See the houses all in a line. Row means line. Okay, all in a line. There is smoke everywhere. Everywhere. Where in the town. So the houses all are in line. Can see, ma? There's no thing here. So the houses all wait. See the houses 1, 2, 3, 4. See the houses all in line, in a row. There is smoke everywhere. So there's smoke everywhere. Why? Because you can say the smoke is given to the kitchens. Again you get smoke from the vehicles. Okay, factories, chimneys. So smoke is everywhere. There's everywhere smoke. So you can say the town is polluted. That I go. I don't like the noises I hear. So he doesn't like the noises because the sounds, every traffic noises. Again, the system will be working everywhere. So he doesn't like the noises. What he wants it to be pleasant, like this way. He wants it to be pleasant. I heard. I wish there were woods very near. So now first he wanted what? He wished there were meadows and lambs. Now what he wished there were woods nearby. Woods means there is a forest places nearby. Okay, ma'am. There is one thing Okay, there is one thing. So one thing finally is there that I love. So what he loves here in the town, there's nothing. But one thing he likes. One thing he likes. And what is the thing he likes? And that is the sky. So what does he like, ma? He likes sky. He likes the sky above. Why? Sky is clear. Sky is clear. Far above means above. Ma. There is plenty of room in the blue. So there's plenty of room in the sky. Plenty of room in the sky. Sky is open. Sky is open in the blue. For castles of clouds and me too. So castles of clouds. Okay, huge buildings of clouds. Buildings of clouds. And me too. This place for me also. Where in the air above. In the air above. This is sky. This is the sky. So this is given written by whom? By Irene Thompson. So here we can make out that town child. He likes to live in the countryside. He likes to live in the countryside. We say village area. He liked the village life. He wanted the meadows. He wanted the woods nearby. He wanted to see the lambs playing. Okay, this is what he wanted because there's nothing what he finds here in the town. There's nothing what he finds in the town. Some Irene Thompson. Okay, we just got this page number 17. Ma. So we'll see. As a town child wanted to live in where in the countryside. Here, even the boy simple, very simple. Why? Because he's a country boy. He's a country boy. Is that what you say? What do you mean by country boy? A boy who lives in a village. Is in a village. So did you anytime go to your grandmother or grandparents' house or grandfather's house or your uncle or aunt's house who are living in a village nearby? Yes, I think you all sometimes went also. You all enjoyed there and came also. So okay, and actually, okay, which place is better? Do you think? The town the town area or not the village area? Choice is yours. Okay, ma. As for me, I would like to live in a better thing is the countryside. Countryside. Why? There is always, it's all open. They're all open. There's no pollution there. No pollution, no traffic. All are calm and peace going. Calm and peace going. So there I feel happier. There I feel happier. Okay, ma. So my home is a house. My home is a house. So whose home? Whose home is a house? Okay, my home is a house. Now who's thinking now? The country child. The country child say the village boy. The village boy. Near a wood. So where he is living? He is living near a wood. He is living in a wood. Who? The country child is living next to a wood. I did live in a street. So you like to live in a street? I live in a street. If I could, if he could, who could? The country, the child. Uma, the country child. He wanted to live in a street. If I could, street what na? Where the town child was living. The town child was living. The lanes are so quiet. The lanes are so quiet. So here he finds the place is very quiet. The place is very quiet. Oh dear, I do wish that someone lived near. So he wished. Who wished? That the country child. He wanted to be what now with somebody. Somebody you could spend time with because here it's all alone now. Okay, there's people are less here and they are all on their own works. So this is what he lived. Okay, you come back. I live near. There is no one to play with at all. So here in the countryside, there is no one to play with. There is no one to play with at all. The trees are so high. The trees are very high. The trees are very high. You see, trees are high. Where in the countryside, the trees are very high. It is tall trees. Okay, and I should be lonely for hours. So he says the trees are so big and there's no friends for me to play. I wish I could play with somebody. That's what he thought like man. For hours because he's always lonely. He's always lonely for hours. For hours. Were it not for birds and the flowers. So here I had to play with what? I had to play with only flowers and birds. There's nothing else for me to play with. This is what who feels it. The country child is feeling. I wish that I lived in a town. So now comes the reality. He wished if he lived in a town. He wished he lived in a town. Okay, to see all the trams going down. So he wished to live in a town. He wished to live in a town where he could find all the trams, the buses not going. Okay, he wanted to live in a place where there is much traffic. Much traffic. A twinkling street that is bright. So he wanted to live in a place where the lights are there and it is bright. It is bright. Twinkling lights, one can say the street lights. What with wonderful colors at night. So he wanted to live in a place where there are plenty street lights with wonderful colors. This is what actually here we find the difference between the town child and the countryside. There's a lot of difference, ma. Actually, he wants to live in a countryside, whereas the country child wants to live in a town. See, there's a lot of difference. As I told you at the very beginning, what I told you all, whatever a person has, this is the mind of a person, ma. Whatever a person has, na, he will not be satisfied. He will not be satisfied. He will want something better. What, ma? He will want something better which others are having. Okay, this is the human psychology, actually. So students, I think you all enjoyed the poem. Yes, you all enjoyed the poem. And the poem is written by whom? Irene Thompson. So you all see today the town child and the country child. And today, students, I think I started the notes for you all na, in the first lesson. Did you all complete, ma? Yes, you all completed the notes in the first lesson. Na? So today, you all just complete this topic, ma, in the grammar part, ma. See, I think I told you all the answers, na. You coming to page number 11. Page number 11. See, I gave you some topic, na. You can use my camera if you need. Give permission using me. So I gave you all the answers already, ma. I think I gave you all. So today, what I wanted you all is to complete the grocery, ma. You complete the grocery all things, no? Yes. Yeah, complete the grocery of the town child and the country child, ma. In your class works. So this is what I can say as day 7 homework, ma. Your homework is do in the class work. Means write your English notes. Write neatly, ma. Okay, ma, students? Okay, bye. Any doubts, ma? You can contact me directly, ma. You can call me directly. If not, you can message me. I'll be ready to respond or reply at any time, ma. Okay, students? Bye. Take care, ma.